Hello everyone, welcome to this new tip and trick, and today we're going to talk about the collaborative lifecycle widget. So let's start by introducing this application. So this widget basically is a universal widget for lifecycle actions on content that has been originated in different domains such as simulation, design, manufacturing, and so on. And usually, when you want to run lifecycle activities which are already integrated in widgets like engineering release or product structure editor, these activities might be possible only on specific type of content, such as products, but not the related content, such as simulation or manufacturing. That's why the importance of a single universal widget that will allow you to do all these actions in a single widget. So what we're going to see today is how we can personalize this widget. So you can add attributes, you can remove attributes to make it very personal. How you can subscribe to events on a specific revision, for example, when a revision is being revised, for example, and how we can change maturity, how we can work under bookmarks. So sometimes we want to tag certain revisions to a bookmark without doing it manually. So you can do this using the work under functionality. And we can revise products, and then we will show how we can revise not just the product, but also the related physical simulation. Okay, so let's see how this works. So now I'm bringing here an existing product into the lifecycle widget, collaborative lifecycle widget. And the system shows me that I have revision A. And the first thing I want to do, I want to personalize this view. So I go to the setting and I will select here two attributes, which are of my interest. That will be the display thumbnails and the enterprise item number. And this way we can personalize and we can enable only the content we are interested to view in this widget. So now the next thing I want to show you is how we can subscribe to events on this specific revision. And we can subscribe for promotion and for revision. So when this revision is promoted to a different maturity state, when it is revised, I will receive notifications. And now we will revise directly this revision. We will promote it to freeze. So we're changing its maturity state. And we have seen here that a notification has been sent to me because I have subscribed to this revision. And now we want to bookmark, to work under a bookmark, which means that I want anything that happens from now on to be tagged with this bookmark. So I'm going to work under this bookmark that is called engineering projects. And once I do that, from now on, any activity on this revision will be simply tagged into this bookmark. So I'm going to revise it. I'm creating now new revision B, and I'm explaining what is this revision is all about by adding text in the comment. And now let's see what happens with this revision B that has been now tagged into this bookmark. So the first thing I want to do is I want to see the relations of the new revision B. So I simply drag and drop the revision B into the relations app, and I can investigate the existing relations, including the new relation that has been created with the bookmark. And here I see the bookmark that has been tagging, that was attached to this new revision B. Thanks to the capability, thanks to the option of working under the bookmark. Okay, so that was really a very quick overview. Now let's see how we can use this application for content that has different types. So here I'm bringing a product that has two revisions, revision A and revision B. So if I'm interested to see the relations of revision B, I drag it simply to the relations app, and I can see that there is a simulation, physical simulation, which is attached to this revision B of the product. And what I'm interested to do now is basically to revise both of them at the same time. So this is something that this application will allow me to do. So I simply select both content, the product and the physical simulation, and I revise them. I create a new revision, and that will be new revision C, which is created out of revision B. Now the point is, will the new revision C be connected to the new revision of the product? So let's see this through the relations. So if I open again the new revision C of the product in the relations, I can see that the product is also attached to the physical simulation as well. So not just revising the content, but also attaching the physical product and the simulation. And note also that this new content has been now attached to the bookmark. So it's available for the bookmark as well because we have worked under the bookmark. I hope this was helpful for you. It was a really quick tip on the collaborative lifecycle widget. Thank you.